My name is Muhammad Javed Attari and I'm calling from Babul Madina, Karachi. It has been commonly observed that when you pass by a house or something on your way to work or somewhere, then you're able to hear the voices of some women from their houses. They might be screaming at kids or their maids, but anyhow, we do get to hear their voices. So at such occasions, we have to quickly pass through. So what's the ruling regarding these women?
They should be cautious. Their voices shall not reach stranger men when it's unnecessary and for no reason. And the scenario you've come up with is obviously unnecessary. Then screaming and shouting on kids. Then they're living in buildings and they have balconies in which they stand and talk to each other. Then they also call their children from there. And in some cases, you can survive even without this, but they keep doing it. May Allah Almighty bless them with sound wisdom. Aurat is something to hide. And voice of aurat is also aurat, meaning something to hide. And if she speaks to any stranger man out of need, as in those instances where Sharia has given the permission, then there's no harm in it. For example, buying and selling is allowed. So if the woman goes out to buy something whilst observing the Shari'i veil, over there, she shouldn't speak in a soft tone, which entices the feelings of the stranger man and gets him attracted towards her. So she shall not be laughing and talking in such soft manner. Rather, it should be the opposite. Meaning it should be a dry tone so the man doesn't get attracted. So there's no harm in buying and selling for a woman in this way. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ala Muhammad.